Good evening, guys. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our update on Typhoon Kiko. And I would like to tell you that this is now the final one for this Sunday night, September 12, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. The storm is now outside the Philippine area of responsibility. It moved out around 1 p.m. this afternoon, and it's now moving fast across the East China Sea. So it brought some heavy wind, strong winds and heavy rainfall, as well as storm surges across the eastern to the northern portions of Taiwan. So these areas are affected greatly by the western eyewall of this tropical cyclone. It weakened now into a category 3 with winds of 205 kph, and it's now accelerating fast towards the eastern shoreline of Zhejiang province, and is likely to reach Shanghai area within the next 48 hours. And from there, it will move slowly before accelerating towards the east-northeast in the general direction of South Korea, and it will become an mid-latitude cyclone. It will transition into an extratropical cyclone, and it will be a part of the frontal system over this southern portion of South Korea. So because of the storm departing the Philippines, the southwest monsoon will also slowly weaken in the next few days, and right now the monsoon cloudiness is just along the western coastline of Luzon, but still some low-level clouds is penetrating the western Luzon area, bringing some on and off rainfall. And also here across the Batanes, heavy downpour being experienced by the island province after this area has been devastated by this powerful typhoon. And the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, cloudy in the afternoon with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Mindanao and Visayas. Here in Bicol region, we experienced some cloudy conditions all throughout the day with some sunshine in between, but lower chances of rain showers and thunderstorms. But in the next few days, this tropical weather will again return, particularly in the afternoon and evening, to bring more rain showers and thunderstorms. Meanwhile, the tropical storm Conson, or Jolina, has weakened into a tropical depression, moving very slowly along the coast of central Vietnam, but later on, within the next 24 hours, it may start to finally make landfall and weaken considerably into a low pressure system. Outside of PAR, we don't have any LPA, but we have here a surface trough developing to the southwest of Guam. Nothing to worry about as of this time. And if we take a look at the windy.com zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here some thunderstorms developing across Samar and the rest of the Visayas, as well as over Mindanao, particularly the western sections. And as the afternoon progresses as well, here over Luzon, the western section will still be under the influence of the southwest monsoon, and also along Lubang Island and Batanes, Babuyan Cubub Islands, as the monsoon will start to wane down in the next couple of days. Here's the final track that we issued around 5 a.m. this morning, and based on our track, it will exit PAR around 2 p.m., but it exited earlier at 1 p.m. So right now, the typhoon is now here, moving fast towards the Shanghai area, where it will stall for the next 3, 4 to 5 days. And that will be a problem. That will be a problem over Shanghai and eastern China because of the possibility of flash floods when prolonged rainfall occurs. Okay, and here's the Asian agency's tracks on Chanthu or Kiko. They all agree that it will move north, slow down here, and then it will accelerate towards the southern coast of South Korea, because it will be transforming into a subtropical cyclone, a middle latitude cyclone, where it will lose its tropical characteristics. That's why it's called as a extratropical cyclone. Okay, here's the model as well. Same path as of the tracking on the Asian agencies. Here's the track of tropical depression Concern, or Julina, formerly Julina, and it's now expected to make landfall over mainland Vietnam. Now let's take a look at the forecast through Wednesday, and this is courtesy of the European model from the windy.com website. So tomorrow, some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms will prevail in various sections of the country. And on Tuesday, still some possible afternoon or evening rain showers will be expected. Let's move this around 4 p.m. in most parts of the country. But generally good weather across the Philippine Islands. And on Wednesday afternoon, another round of possible thunderstorms, particularly across Visayas and Mindanao, will be expected because of the easterly or northeasterly wind flow. The southwest monsoon will start to weaken beginning tomorrow, and it will begin on Wednesday just over the area of Vietnam. And there might be a low pressure area that will be forming over this central Philippine Sea, and we are going to give you the latest of that next week. But so far, only the ECMWF, if we forward it, there you go. Only the ECMWF shows that there will be a shallow LPA moving across Bicol and the Visayas come next weekend, Friday, September 17. Through Sunday, September 19, as you can see it here. Okay, so there might be more rainfall across the country because of this LPA that is expected to move across Visayas and southern Luzon. So far, that's the latest for this Sunday evening. And we'll be returning again on Wednesday. Okay, tomorrow we will be having some day off, because we've been creating videos every day during the occurrence of these typhoons, back-to-back typhoons, Julina and Kiko. Now it's time for me to rest for just one day. That will be tomorrow, and on Wednesday we'll be returning again to our usual normal tropical weather analysis. Again, from Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.